Okay, report two. This is, I can't see, this is the question. I can't see my views, the saved views in a different project. After I have saved that in the first project, I can't see them in the second. So as I did before in my project, project tool, here I called it, this project is done and I'm happy about it. If he wants to open. And I do have here, I can see the here, the camera, which is the same as coming here, set view. I see these two guys and I see the two guys. I double click on them and I can see my two generated views. No, well, this is what you're going to be asking for, but in a different file. When I go to my new project, let's say project base, save as, and I'm going to call it now project 3. And I'm going to just do something very fast. Okay, this is a new project. I definitely go set view, name views, and they're not here, by the way. This is what you're seeing, this view. You can dock it here, so it's no problem. Dock it also. So what do we do? So we do them again. It's impossible to do them again. So what you do is click on the import from 3DM file. You select that folder, and you basically click the file that has the views. In my case, is number 2. Say open, and they will appear there. Now it's very important that both projects have their 0-0 relationship, because when you double click here, that it goes to a view, it doesn't go to a project. No, so that would be the way to go about it. Okay, that's number 1. Classic problem. The views do not go from one view to another one. You need to import them with a folder. But there's also, hey, my clipping plane is not here. How do I get this one? And I need to have that clipping plane exactly in the same place. I'm going to save this for a second. And I'm going to open my previous file. Okay. This clipping plane, Control Tab, this clipping plane, I need it exactly in the same place. How do I take it there? Well, here it is, File, Export Selected, and you're going to name this only clipping plane. Okay, and that's it. Every time you need that clipping plane, it's going to be there. So imagine you're in a new project. And you just import, that's the command. Clipping plane comes to the same place. If it doesn't cut the model for whatever reason, just make sure that you go to properties, clipping plane, and it says here, you know, in the view that you want it to cut. No? So double click, and that's exactly the same. No. Let me go back to the world.